Today, student learning outcomes are personal involvement SDLC and their role, management personnel, project manager, system analyst, programmer, software tester, and customer. Management personnel or team. A strong management team has the ability to satisfy the customers and acquirers of the software system. Also, a proposed project or a product will only meet its objective if managed properly, otherwise will result in failure. The role of a good management team is to provide consistency of success of the software with regard to time, cost, and quality objectives, ensure that customer expectations are met, collect historical information and data for future use, provide a method of thought for ensuring all requirements are addressed through a comprehensive work definition process, reduce risk associated with the project. Now the role of project manager. A project manager is a professional responsible for planning, execution, and closing of any project. Apart from management skill, a software project manager will typically have an extensive background in software development. He or she is also expected to be familiar with whole software development life cycle process. The key role of a project manager are developing the project plan, managing the project budget, managing the project stakeholders, managing the project team, managing the project risk, managing the project schedule, and managing the project conflicts. A system analyst is a professional in the field of software development that studies the problem, plans solutions for them, recommends software system and coordinate development to meet business or other requirements. System analyst has expertise in a variety of programming languages, operating system, and computer hardware platforms. The general role and responsibilities of an analyst are defined below. Plan a system flow, interact with customer to learn and document requirements that are then used to produce business requirement documents, define technical requirements, interact with designer to understand software limitation, help programmers during system development phase, manage system testing, and document requirements and contribute to user manuals. A programmer is a technical person that writes computer programs in computer programming languages to develop a software. A programmer writes, tests, debugs, and maintains the detailed instructions that are executed by the computer to perform their functions. The responsibilities of a programmer includes writing, testing, and maintaining the instruction of computer programs, updating, modifying, and expanding existing programs, testing the code by running to ensure its correctness, preparing graphs, tables, and analytical data display which show the progress of a computer program. A software tester primarily performs software quality testing procedures on software. They generally have strong grasp over software quality testing tools and techniques, along with some level of software development knowledge or experience. Software tester is responsible for understanding requirements, creating test scenarios, test scripts, preparing test data, executing test scripts, and reporting defects and reporting results. Some of the techniques software tester must have experience with include unit testing, system testing, black box testing, load testing, user acceptance testing, and scalability testing. A customer is an individual or an organization that is a current or potential buyer or user of the software product. Customers usually purchase software from software manufacturer companies, software houses, user groups, and individuals. Customers are also called clients, but the only difference between the two is that the customer purchases the software products and the client purchases services. Customers are the real evaluators of a software product by using it and identifying its merits and demerits. Okay, dear student, that is the end of today's lecture. Now it's your turn. Challenge yourself. You can see few questions on the screen which are based on today's lecture. Kindly solve them. Thank you.